Disable Tech Gaming. So today we are talking about again. Yeah, it's a Discord series part 2. So without wasting any time, you subscribe my channel and like video and share with others. And if you have any questions, ask in the comment box.
Discord.
So let's go to the Discord.
Discord.
Loading. So if you like my videos, share with others and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So today we are going to learn about notifications tab. Tab number 3. Yeah. What in the notification tab?
Notifications selected.
In the last video of Discord series, we learn about chat tab and friends tab. So in part 2 we'll learn about notifications tab. In the next video I show you quick switcher.
Notifications heading button for you. Double button.
It's
Double
button.
tap to active. Button Discord.
If you press this button,
Button notification settings.
you see notification
Button
settings.
notification settings. Button
Okay.
notification setting. No in-app notifications heading.
It's
In-app
heading.
notifications list.
Yeah, it's a heading
In-app
also.
notifications heading and list in-app on. Get notifications within Discord. Switch.
If you want to turn off Discord notifications, go to the quick switcher tab, go to the button which is the first button. It's not talkback, not translated, so you have to go to the after notification settings and you can
Get notifications
turn
within
off
Discord.
and turn on
Double tap to toggle. Select
Discord
on.
notification.
Switch.
It's on for
System
me.
notifications list out of listed.
System notification.
heading. Button get notifications outside of Discord.
Get
Double tap to
notification
activate.
outside of Discord.
List out of listed.
You can
Behavior,
on
heading, list
and off
heading.
here,
Off. Disable notifications light. Switch. Double
and you
tap to
can
toggle.
disable notification light
Off.
here.
Switch.
It's off for me.
Disable. Off. Switch. Off. Disable. Off. Disable notifications vibration. Switch.
Disable
Double tap to toggle. Double tap to toggle.
vibration notification. It's off.
Off.
If you want, you can turn on.
Double tap. Off.
Disable sounds.
Switch.
Also, you can disable
Double tap to
notification
off.
sounds.
Switch. Other notifications.
Other
List.
notifications
Other
heading.
notification. On. Get notifications when your friends stream. Switch.
Get
Double tap to
notification when
toggle.
your friends stream.
Selected.
It's on for me. You can turn on or turn off.
Close button.
Close. Let's go back.
Notification button for you. Double tap to active. For you.
What is for you?
Mentions.
It's mentions.
Button. Send a message to your new friend. Team Vortex 0.1 fan.
You can
Mentions.
here send messages which you accept previously. I mean before friend requests.
For you. Mentions.
Like
Button. Send a message to your new friend. Team Vortex 0.1 fan. August 26,
example.
2022.
Okay.
Mentions.
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 It's a great feature. I
Generic
like it.
username. Yesterday. Mentions. Out of list.
Example.
Double tap to activate.
If someone use at and at the rate and your name and add a text and send and it's appear here.
Generic username. Mentions. Out of list.
For example,
Double tap to activate.
if I add at the rate and your name and text, it appear here for you.
Generic username. Yesterday at 10:14 p.m.
Example.
And everyone guess what? Enlist. Double tap to activate.
If there's a role, I show you in the next part. In the server there's a role add the great everyone. So after they write a role, after they text, so it's appear to everyone in the server.
List. Yesterday at 7:10 p.m.
Okay.
Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend and at least a very tolerable Monday. For those who are new, welcome to the server. This chat.
Okay.
Close. Servers. Lit.
Close.
Toggle door. 208. Toggle. Direct message.
Oh no. Wait.
Wait.
Notifications tab. Okay.
Select mentions. Generic username. List.
So,
Yesterday at 7:10.
That's
Chat.
all. If you
Portrait of
new in my channel,
Arizona. Pause.
subscribe
Double tap
and
to
support
activate.
me. I need only 7 subscribe to come live. I mean live on YouTube. So my goal, this video goal is 10 likes, at least 3 subscribers. So and 25 views. So please complete my goal.
Stop.
Subscribe,
Double
like,
tap to
share,
activate.
comment.